There's a lot you need to know about cactus. This is the cactus. A lot you need to know that you haven't known, that nobody can tell you. Only at Jackie Naturals we give you these secrets. Now, this is cactus. One is cactus. Many are cacti, or you can call them cactuses. Now, this is from the family of Cactasea, and it's very good and survives. It's a plant that survives in deserts, because the unique thing about the cactus, it's the storage of water. It stores a lot of water, and this is very beneficial. Kindly watch till the end so that you get to know the benefits that no one will disclose to you, but I'm very generous to give you these benefits. Welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I'm going to show you how to prepare cactus, how to remove the cactus needles. You cannot see them because they're very tiny. They are not thorns, but they are developing leaves. And you know that cactus is a unique plant that has a lifespan of 90 to 100 years of developing, growing, and can go up to 200 years. And the thorns, the spines are not the thorns, but they're developing leaves that grows into this. What is so special about cactus? It's very good for digestion. It has potassium that helps in absorption of nutrients, in other nutrients in your system, in your digestive system, and keeps your body moisturized and even your system moisturized. It has betalains that are very good to protect your digestive system from harm, and it has vitamin K, vitamin C, very great in fiber. It's very rich in fiber. It has zinc. It's very nutritious, full of nutrients. The zinc, iron, vitamins A, it has C, it has K, and very many others we are going to give you in our video description. Kindly get to check. And it's very good for your skin. This is anti-aging. Kindly use it. I'm going to show you how to use it in fruit salads, and even how to toast it a bit in a saucepan, and even how to use it in your smoothies or the juice. Now, today I'm going to show you how to prepare cactus, how to remove the cactus needles, because you can see I'm using the gloves. You cannot see them, but they're going to sting you. If you just use your bare hands, they're going to sting, and it's very painful. It's not poisonous, but it's very painful. Only you have to protect your body, because if they pierce and can enter through your bloodstream. If there are many, they can cause chest problems. They can cause chest problems, and we don't want that, but they are not poisonous. Kindly just watch till the end. I'm going to prepare the cactus, and the other benefits, it controls diabetes and lowers blood pressure for people with high blood pressure. It is very good it is an anti-stress. Using it in gel form, in a gel form, or in water. I'm going to show you how to make the cactus gel that you can put in your water. You take it every morning, and it's very good for menstrual cramps, for people with issues of menstruation, very painful menstrual cramps. Kindly use this. It's going to help you. Very good for your hair. This is good for hair growth. It strengthens the strands. It treats the dandruffs and the scalps, the itchy scalps. Kindly use this, and very good to moisturize your hair, very good to moisturize your skin, and protects your skin cells and regenerates the skin cells. It helps in production, the linoleic acid in it. It helps in production of new cells, and then you get, every time you use cactus, you get a youthful, renewed skin. Most of the benefits you're going to get in our video description. Kindly just see You don't want to touch it, so can hurt you. This is how you remove the needles and peel the cactus. You can see it has some veins looking like, and these hard parts, the skin is very hard, so you have to remove all the cactus, all the skin. You can use a knife also if you have one. Remember, these leaves are very good for the conditioner. These leaves are very good for conditioners, making hair conditioners. Kindly, you can just blend. You can use them to make cactus oil and in shampoos. It's very, very good. Now, let me show you. You have to make sure you remove this part, the hard parts, and this stem. This one is very hard. Yeah, you have to make sure that you get rid of it. See, it's very hard. You can see the gel. The gel is now, we're getting now to see the gel. You can see the gel. Just see, it's very nice. This is very good for your health, for your skin. Now you can see our cactus is all peeled and good. If you want the flesh, if you don't want the green part, you can peel another layer, but this one is very good also if you want to do the vegetable salads or to toast a bit in a saucepan, or even to make the gel. I'm going to show you in the next video how to make all this. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like my videos. Don't forget to put on notifications for more videos. I love you with the love of Christ. Kindly show some love to me that I may grow this beautiful channel, that we may get to learn more secrets about your health, about your body health, about your skin, about your hair. And I love you so much. Thank you.